Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to create this homepage design using Tailwind CSS. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's start the process. So let's start the Tailwind CLI build process by using this command and hit enter, and we are done. Let's start the live server extension, and so yes, it is working. So let me remove all this and build a markup from scratch. So let's create a section. So we've created a section. So in this section, we'll have a container div with the class of container. So this container has two components. One is header and the other is home page. Header. So in header and the other is home page. So let's start with header component. In a header component, we use header tag. We are using semantic HTML, and in our header tag we have our logo, which is our anchor tag, and it is blank. So, and this is our logo, by the way. So logo, let's say interior, and in our header we have a navigation bar. So we'll again use semantic HTML, and let's give it a class of no, not right now. Yes. So let's create a nav link, which is also blank, and it is home. For now, we'll create the other parts. So now our header component is done. So now is the time to build our home page component. Our home page component has a div, and this div contains an h1 tag, which I'm gonna say design your house. Okay, so now I have a p tag. We're gonna use lorem ipsum 10, and yes, I'm gonna use break tag, and again I need lorem ipsum c8, and that's great. Okay, perfect. And we have now we need to create these two buttons, watch more and subscribe. So let's create our buttons. We create a div with the class of buttons. So we have two anchor tags. One says watch more, and let's create another one. which says subscribe. Not here. Yes. So markup is done. So let's see how our markup looks like, and that's great. Perfect. Everything is working fine. So now is the time to use Tailwind CSS. So let's. So I want to give a background of. I need to give it a background with an overlay. So for this, I need to go to Tailwind config.js file, and here in this place, I need to. I guess yes, background image. Yes, I've checked it on website and background image, and I want to create my own property. So it would be hero image, hero here's color pattern. That would be nice. And let's define our property. So I'll be using linear gradient and linear gradient. And let's do it some values. So first RGB value is black with a hue of 0.3, and second value is also black but with larger hue. And now is the time to give it a URL, which I've already saved. And so here is the URL. Let's paste it here, and we are good to go. So let's use this property. In our section class and bg, it should appear here. And let's see if it's working or not, and it is not working, and I don't know why. Let's refresh this, and it is not working. So I guess let's restart the terminal. Something is wrong, I guess. Let's see, this we need to and distributor screen and yes, a screen and also go to our screen and let's see if it's work or not and it's still not working. Even our URL is also right. So okay, I see what's wrong there. Yeah, let's see, and it should work. Okay, not working. I don't know why. Yes, it's working now. See, it's working. Thank God. And I want the text color to be white so I can see so the text is readable which it is. So yes, yes, now work. So now the time for container. So let's keep things in center. The magical property of Tailwind CSS, I believe we'll need flex and I want things in flex column. So very easy flex and column and good with a gap of 40 which is 160 pixels. So let's see what's yes. Series empty size. This is because of our container and MX property. Margin on access is auto. So in our header we also create a class and we give it a position of fixed. So stage also space and we need to give it a top value of 0, left 0, right also 0 and then we also need to define words inside it and we need to give it a margin of auto and we also need flex to justify between and that's it I guess. Yeah, that's fine. So now apply our properties here. Also we need to give it a item center property, and a margin at top at 6, I guess is good. So let's give a class of uh, since it is our logo, we need to give it a text of 2XL and font bold. I guess this is enough as of now, and let's refresh. Yes, series are entering it. Good working. So now work on our nav links. Let's give it a margin on axis of 2. And when I hover over it, it should underline offset 4, and also I want to give it a color of decoration 600, I believe, or 100. The 100 is good. The transition of ease and out. To make it smooth, and we'll copy this entire link multiple times. So now we just need to change the names here. What's the other name? Let me see. Dining kitchen backyard. Yeah, that's good. So header section is complete, and let's see how it looks. Perfect. And let's come to a home page and give it a class. Home page, text, center, and margin auto. But margin top, I want it to be, since I want to define my variant property, I'll use brackets, and I'll give my desired value, which is 20%. Okay, so flex, I'll use flex here, and flex call, and a gap of 7 is enough. So our h1 tag success, I guess is great, and font it to be semi bold, and now come to our paragraph tag. I guess text large is enough. I think so. Let me see. And yes, it's good. Yes, good. So now is the time for our buttons. And let's create a class of mx margin access 3, and I want our buttons to be fully rounded. So rounded full is the right amount, and then I want the border color to be, yeah, 100 to keep things uniform, and padding on x-axis should be 3, and padding on y-axis should be 2, I guess is right. And let's give it another class of btn 1. So let me copy this whole class and paste it in our second button. We give it a second class. So we need to do one thing, which is create those animations. So go to our info.css file and create our own class, custom class. Let's give it a background of linear gradient. So from right to right, and the color I checked it in Tailwind CSS website, which is 97A7, and I want it to be 50% to transparent. So 50% of it is this color and the other 50% is transparent, and background position is white, background size is 200% and 100%. And when I hover over it, it should just do one thing, which is just change the background position and transition is in and out and 0.3 second delay. That is it. So when you are borders, which I cannot see. Yes, here it is. Forgot to mention. We use here we'll use multi-cursor editing. And let's see, yes, it's working. So our homepage is complete, guys. As you can see, hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.